Welcome to this channel on today's video. I hope that you're doing well. Today we're going to talk about beta finance, its price prediction and what the future has for it. Let's get started. It has been about 13 years since the birth of Bitcoin BTC, which then served as an inspiration for the development of every other cryptocurrency, essentially establishing the modern-day cryptocurrency sector as a whole. However, despite the passage of time, the cryptocurrency sector has failed to resolve some of the issues that have plagued it since its inception, with volatility being the most prominent. In fact, because crypto assets are not backed by any real-world assets, with the exception of stablecoins, their price will never be truly stable in the long run. Despite this, many investors anticipate that the markets will settle and that at the very least, leaps and dips of 10% or more will cease to occur. The question of how to achieve such stability, on the other hand, is one that the industry has yet to address fully. A great deal of it is dependent on adoption, technology, use cases for each cryptocurrency, and other similar factors. In addition, even though it appears to be an insurmountable feat, there are other projects such as beta finance that are attempting to mitigate cryptocurrency volatility and restore market stability. What is beta finance and how does it work? Exactly the type of project that tries to address the issue of volatility by operating as a permissionless money market on Ethereum, allowing users to lend and borrow cryptocurrency assets and even short them. Beta finance is exactly what you're looking for. Its purpose is to provide these services in order to maintain market stability while also offering its customers competitive interest rates on a consistent basis. In essence, this is yet another Ethereum-based DeFi system that has recognized significant volatility aspects of the crypto sector as being detrimental to the adoption of DeFi technology. When it comes to persons and institutions, this is true in equal measure. The initiative, on the other hand, views short selling as a key financial tool that DeFi ecosystems have lacked, and one that can aid in the restoration of market stability and efficiency. As for the project itself, it is introducing features that will make Bitcoin shorting feasible as well as straightforward as possible. It has a one-click short tool, which allows users to select a DEX to use for swaps with a single click of a button, as well as stake the newly switched collateral with the principal in the short position. The project's goal is to support more volatile assets by using an isolated collateral approach as described above. As of right now, it accepts Ethereum USD Coin, Tether, and DAI as valid collateral types. Both OpenZeppelin and PeckShield, two independent third parties, audited and validated that the smart contract was trustworthy and reliable for the company's use. In addition to asset shorting and giving stability to larger, more volatile coins, the project also provides lending and borrowing services to individuals and businesses. Token for beta finance. Naturally, like with any DeFi or crypto protocol, the project has its own cryptocurrency, the beta token, which serves as a mean of payment. At the time of writing, the token is at the 2,730th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, with a market capitalization of $507 million and a current price of $3.13. The fact that it has decreased by 11.17% in the last 24 hours should not be overlooked though. In fact, the token appears to have breached the $3.2 support level, which was its previous high. This stock's price reached $4.6 only 3 days ago, after which it swiftly dropped to $3.2 before surging to $4.35 and then correcting once more. Its movements slowed during the week, with the coin fluctuating between $3.2 and $3.4 on Monday, October 11th, according to CoinMarketCap data. Of course, information about the token's performance is quite restricted at this point, given that its distribution only began 3 days ago, on October 8th, 2021, and that no data has yet been collected. Also understandable are its large price variations, which reflect the project's ongoing efforts to stabilize its financial position. In fact, it appears to be doing extremely well when it comes to attempting to maintain its own stability, considering the fact that its fluctuations have already decreased by a significant amount. Now that we've got a lot of ground covered, what does the future hold for beta finance? Beta's long-term viability. Volatility is, without a doubt, one of the characteristics that distinguish the crypto business, as well as is one of its most formidable adversaries. It makes investing and trading incredibly profitable, given of course that you know what you're doing, but it prohibits cryptocurrencies from being helpful in ordinary life as previously stated. The digital currency business relies on stability in order to gain widespread acceptance. In the future, it will become more evident whether this means stablecoins, CBDCs, or the stability of normal coins, depending on the circumstances. For the time being, however, we know that there is a strong desire for initiatives that can help to stabilize the industry, which is why it's quite likely that Beta will see great demand. The project's goal is to stable more valuable coins while also providing loan and borrowing opportunities. Lending protocols are among the most popular in DeFi, with lending protocols accounting for 4 of the top 5 most popular based on total value locked (TVL). Naturally, Beta Finance has not yet achieved these heights, but as a lending protocol in and of itself, it has the potential to do so. Further, the initiative has the support of Binance, which is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange and which understands the potential of its goal to provide open finance for all. Beta Finance also stated in its white paper that price volatility is not the only issue that the DeFi world is dealing with, as another is a lack of financial infrastructure, and that the company's immediate future will likely be devoted to attempting to resolve these two issues in the shortest possible time. In spite of the fact that Beta Finance is currently a very new and fairly immature project, its ambitions are extremely ambitious. This presents a lot of potential for the future, but it is yet too early to tell whether or not it will be able to deliver on its promises or how significant an influence it'll have on the DeFi and broader cryptocurrency industries. Having said that, it is tough to make any definitive statements, but it is certainly an interesting one to keep an eye on and see where it ultimately leads as time progresses. Keep a close eye on this one as it develops and progresses, as more stability and a stronger financial infrastructure in DeFi will undoubtedly benefit the business. Beta Finance Beta price predictions for the years 2021 and 2022. Support and resistance levels, trend lines, moving averages, and simple indicators such as the RSI can all be used to construct a pretty accurate Beta Finance price prediction for 3, 6, and 12 months in the future. According to our estimates, the price will eventually reach somewhere between $5 and $15 in the next few months. When developing your own Beta Finance price prediction, you should include fundamental analysis as part of your research. Investigating what the Beta Finance team will be up to in the coming months will assist you in determining whether or not a certain investment will be lucrative after specific events, roadmap targets, or milestones have been achieved. In determining short-term Beta price changes, technical analysis has a stronger influence than fundamental analysis. However, it's vital to keep an eye on forthcoming events that will take place in the coming weeks and months. We believe that Beta Finance has a good chance of reaching the $5 to $15 mark in 2021 based on current trends, investor sentiment, and the overall direction of the crypto market. This is provided that the trend continues and the team continues to work on their products and partnerships. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Also, don't forget to leave your very valuable thoughts on Beta Finance down in the comments section of this video.